Hello, my name is Jani. Today I'm going to talk about a BOSCH digital conference system. Model name is CCS 1000D. There is a local sound reinforcement system which plays very important role in your conference room meeting or the boardroom meeting. It can provide a crystal clear and amplified audio to all the attendees regardless of their location. It is very compact, very versatile and easy to set up. It has a inbuilt loudspeaker microphone to all the units. All the units can be configured as a delegate unit or the chairman unit. It has both the switch available with each of the boxes. The controller which is also versatile and it can connect up to 80 units. It can go beyond up to 245 units using additional power supplies. It has a very good features which is called as a camera control. Total 6 number of camera can be controlled without using any additional license. It's a free of cost. It has a very good feature which is called as a internal recording, audio recording. Up to 8 hours of recording can be stored in the devices, and up to 4000 hours of recording can be stored using the external USB stick. It also saves your power if it is not in use up to 2 hours. So device get automatic switch off. Use our system for the productive meeting and thanks for watching this video.